Nothing really going on today in terms of repair stuff. Today I'm taking a chance to put the awning back on, but I'm putting it in a different mounting location than before. It used to be back on this side of the roof rack on the back. It's causing a lot of corrosion here because it was holding a lot of water. So I'm putting it on the side, a little bit more usable. I think I actually want it, now that I think about it, on this side so that we can use it for camping and have the tailgate open up, have a better location area. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna switch sides. And I think I'm gonna mount the mud boards today too, or see about mounting them. So that's what I'm doing right now. All right, the awning is officially mounted. To put on the driver's side, so I did swap it over really quick. Used the existing mounts that the guy had already made, and they're kind of janky and definitely ugly. Don't get me wrong, but they work. I mean, this thing ain't really going nowhere, so that's good. Unzips from the bottom. I did actually have to flip it on the rail, so that way I can mount it so it's sitting up higher. If I'd mounted it the other way, it would have been resting on these rails. I didn't really want to do that. I want to try and keep as much water out from getting trapped as I possibly can. So got it mounted up, I'm good with it. It's gonna be pretty tall, but that's okay. And the tent that we have currently meshes up with an awning, so I'm really hoping that works. I'm gonna test that out probably in the next week or so and see how that goes. So that's why I was mounting that back on there, because I might be taking a trip soon. So that's that. Next up, the mud boards. And my plan for that is to mount them on the rail here to here, I think. So those I'm just using a ratchet strap for. That's what I had on my Jeep. And yeah.